Good morning, student. Today we will start our third lesson, the earth and its living world. Okay, maybe all students they wrote this one the exercise of lesson number first and second. If any student not did, please do this one exercise first and then we see this one the lesson. Okay. See the earth and its living world. See, all of you know, only this one the earth is planet where we see the living things are there. In another planet living things are not there. Then see this one earth and its living world. See this figure is there. Okay. See this figure it is said to be the biosphere. This one whole figure it is said to be the biosphere. This one the sphere of the earth. This one the biosphere. Okay, biosphere. Here we see means we are living in this one sphere. Which one it is there? Atmosphere. Okay, means this one the earth is there. See this one the biosphere. Biosphere this one differentiated into three parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Means which one the first part is there? Lithosphere. Lithosphere means related to land. Related to land. Hydrosphere means related to water. Hydrosphere means related to water. And atmosphere. Atmosphere means related to air. All of you know atmosphere. What is mean by the atmosphere? Yes, the layer of air. The layer of air around the earth, it is said to be the atmosphere. Means this one the atmosphere, then hydrosphere, water is there as well as land is there, and totally it is said to be the biosphere. Totally it is said to be the biosphere. Okay. See here. On the surface of the earth, we find land in some places and water in others. Means on the earth we see this one land is there as well as water is there. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. And which one the atmosphere? Means the layer around the layer of air around the earth. It is said to be the atmosphere. Means this one surrounded. And on the earth we see land and water. There are living things on land, in water and in the air. Means we see this one the living things on land, in water and in the air. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Water, land and air constitute envelopes of the earth, namely the hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. See, water, land and air constitute envelopes of the earth, and it is said to be the water, this one the hydrosphere, land, lithosphere, air, this one the atmosphere. The biosphere spreads in all the other three sphere. Which one the biosphere is there? This one spread in all the other three spheres. Okay. See the first one is there, the lithosphere and the hydrosphere. The lithosphere and the hydrosphere. If you see this one the figure, means 1/3 part, means total on the earth 1/3 part, this one land, means out of 3 1 part of land, and out of 3 part the 2 part of water is there. Okay, means we see the land is one the less related to the water. The earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made of rock. Which one the earth crust is there? This one hard and this one made by the rock, because rocks are there. When we travel in the hilly region, we see layers of soil, rock along road, cuts. Correct. In hilly region mostly we see the layer of soil and rocks are there. We see grassy expanses of land in some places, and in some places we see this one the grass is there and only sand in others, as well as sand is there. The land is covered with crops in some places. Which one the land is there? This one the cover with crop. Correct. Means in which region? This one farmers are there. They are doing farming in that one, means in this region the land is covered with crops, okay, and with a forest in other. Means we see on a land crops are there as well as big forests are there. Sometimes we get to see the deeper layers of soil into which trees roots spread. See, we know very well, means which one the five part of plants? Yes, root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Then we see where that one the roots are grow under the soil, under the soil. And how their growth is happen, you know, means where this one root get water, that direction only the growth of roots is happen. Due to that they spread under the ground. Due to that one all over this one the roots are spread in the ground. Means soil into which trees root spread. At other we see rocks peeled apart by the tree roots. There are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer cliffs of rock. All these land features are a part of the Earth's, means lithosphere. Much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under these water. Okay, see, this one the various land form. This one the various land form. Here we see this one the mountains are there. Then this one the pass is there. Valley is there. Hillock is there. Okay, seashore is there. Plain is there. River is there. And here plateau is there. This one the different land forms are there. See, about a third of the surface of the earth consists of land. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. See, a vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. The land on the earth is divided into 7 continents. Okay, in Marathi we are saying khanda. Okay, then 7 continents are there: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. Which one the 7 continents are there? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. These one the 7 continents are there. Means which one the vast continuous stretch of land. Okay, Asia is the largest continent and Australia the smallest. Means our continent, this one the largest one, and which one the Australia is there, this one the smallest continent. See, the land is not even in all places. The unevenness gives different shape to the land in a different places. Means we see this one the different landforms, means all over the land is not same. This one the different shape, land having the different shapes. See, they are called landforms. That's why it is said to be the landforms. Means in picture we See which one the different landforms are there. Plain is there, hill is there, mountain is there, plateau is there, seashore is there. Correct na? Hill is there, valley is there. Then see, 2/3 of the earth surface is covered with water. This one we see saw in that one the figure. 1/3 part this one covered with land and 2/3 part this one covered with water. Most of this water is in the ocean, and means mostly more percent of 97% water this one present in ocean. This one present in ocean. And you know student, means which one the water we are using in our daily life, daily usage, this one only 0.3% water is there. Which one we are using? We can't use the sea water or the ocean water. Why we not use this one water? Yes, very good, because this one the salty. Correct. More mineral this one mix in that one water. Correct. And that's why we can't use such a type of water. Then which one water now we are using? This one only present 0.3%. Means for that one we cannot waste the water. Okay. See, most of this water is in the ocean. Ocean water is salty. There are 5 oceans. Okay. How many oceans are there? Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, the Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. These one the 5 oceans are there. Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, the Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the coastal region. Means on the margin of that one the ocean, which one the land is there, that land is said to be the coastal region. Water bodies of different shapes and size are formed along the coast. For example, sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek, etc. These water bodies are a part of the ocean. Means this is the part of the ocean. Which one the water bodies? Sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek, etc. These water bodies are the part of the ocean. Okay, all of you understood? Then if anything you not understood, you have to read this lesson carefully. If any problem is there, you will ask to me. Your homework is this one only. You have to read this one lesson carefully. And miss which one student are there, they not completed their exercise lesson number 1 and 2, try to complete it. Okay, thank you.